Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot by my clients. Do clients need a HoneyBook account? Now, before I get into the answer to that question, I want to take a step back and talk about what HoneyBook is. HoneyBook is a software platform that helps small businesses manage their clients, projects, and finances. It's a great tool for freelancers, consultants, and other creative professionals. So, back to the question. Do clients need a HoneyBook account? The answer is no, clients do not need a HoneyBook account. HoneyBook is a tool that you, as the business owner, use to manage your clients. Your clients will not need to log into HoneyBook or create an account. However, there are a few benefits to having your clients use HoneyBook. First, it can help you stay organized. You can create client profiles, track projects, and send invoices all in one place. Second, it can help you build trust with your clients. HoneyBook provides a professional and organized way for you to communicate with your clients. So, if you're considering using HoneyBook, I would recommend it. But it's not a requirement for your clients. In conclusion, clients do not need a HoneyBook account. However, there are a few benefits to having your clients use HoneyBook. If you're considering using HoneyBook, I would recommend it. But it's not a requirement for your clients. If you have any questions about HoneyBook, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about how to use HoneyBook, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.